Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday, we're featuring the 2022 through 2026 Nissan Frontier PRO-4X. Built for off-road trails, job site demands, and everyday driving, the Frontier PRO-4X is designed to handle rough terrain without sacrificing control. When conditions change and loads increase, dependable braking becomes essential, and that's where DFC delivers. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads and GeoSpec coated rotors are engineered to meet OE specifications, providing consistent pedal feel, stable stopping performance, and quiet operation in both on-road and off-road environments. GeoSpec coatings help protect against corrosion caused by dirt, moisture, and harsh weather, while OE-specific designs ensure proper fit and reliable service. Whether you're navigating steep descents, towing gear, or driving daily, these components are built to maintain confidence and control under demanding conditions. For added convenience, DFC brake components for the Frontier PRO-4X are available individually or as a complete all-in-one brake kit, helping distributors manage inventory efficiently and allowing installers to complete jobs quickly and accurately. DFC is proud to support the 2022 to 2026 Nissan Frontier PRO-4X with a complete braking solution, pads, rotors, and hardware designed for durability, reliability, and OE-level performance. If you missed this week's must-have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.